Alright, what are we working on today? So today I am adding a front wheel to the robot. And what this is going to do is going to take some of the weight off of the front two wheels there. Front two wheels there controls the robot from going forward, backwards, left, right. They don't pivot. They turn sort of like a tank. And one of the issues I've been having is because the robot keeps getting heavier and heavier with all the shit I keep putting on it. It's getting too heavy and the motors keep breaking. So I'm installing this front wheel here, try to take some of that weight off. We're working in Fusion now here. We're gonna design a little bracket. With the measurements, I found I need to extend it down about 50 millimeters, and I had a pre-built bracket ready to go. So all I had to do was just do a little changes on it, and get her ready to go for this wheel. This little wheel I got from my local Chinese shop. All the parts here, if I can't 3D print them, I find them locally. This wheel probably cost me about $3, so we're trying to keep the cost low. And I'm trying to install it here, and I'm trying to figure out where the hell I want to put it. And I kept playing around, going forward, going back with it, trying to take the weight off, but also not too much weight off. And I didn't record it, but I had it a little too far back, and it actually took too much weight off the front wheels, so that when they spun, they actually didn't move the robot at all. They just kind of free spin in place. So when the video picks back up in the next clip, it's adjusted more forward. And now we're popping into the Raspberry Pi here, and I'm just making a little bit of changes to the code. All I did was just change the speed of the motors. And the problem I was having, the reason why I kept breaking motors, is because when I wrote the code for it, I didn't give it any sort of grace period. I'm using an Xbox, like a Xbox One or Xbox Series S, whichever controller I had. I just found a fucking controller or whatever. But when I pressed the button to turn the robot, I didn't write any part of the code to give it sort of a gradual turn, so it would just fucking shoot left or shoot right whenever it would turn. And this was way too jarring for the motors. I mean, these are some like cheap motors I'm buying off Amazon, and they kept breaking. So I just changed the code, and I brought the motor speed down a little bit, and I gave it a little bit of a buffer, so that when I press the button, instead of immediately going from 0 to 100 with the motor, it's sort of gradually going up to speed to kind of make it less jarring. And I'm making this video, and I'm going to put it out there to see if there's any nerds out there that want to critique me and tell me if there's some shit I need to fix or whatever. I'm going to be making more episodes kind of showing what the hell I'm doing, what the hell I'm building. Essentially, I'm building a little robot here. And every time I solve a problem, there's a new problem that's created. Solve a problem, robot's too heavy now. Solve a problem, the robot doesn't move right in this direction. So I put this video out here, and I'm going to go through each little part of the robot, how I put it together and everything. I've been working on it for the last 6 months or so. So if there's any nerds out there that want to help me and tell me how fucking stupid I am and what I'm doing wrong, I would really appreciate it. So here we are testing her out. So another thing this front wheel does is the arm, kind of can't see it because it's blocked. I put the camera up there. The arm, when it's outstretched, it wants to tip forward. And so the front wheel there is kind of preventing it from falling forward here. So yeah. And this ended up working out pretty good, but I'm hearing, you hear in the video, I'm hearing some clicking. And that clicking has me concerned, because that is the gears inside the wheels there, they're slipping. Because this robot's about 30 pounds, and I'm pushing these little motors, these little Amazon motors, to their limit. So let me know down below in the comment section what you guys recommend I do.